getting some food from my garden this morning. So you've seen the layout. You see how I plant, and now you can see how I always have something to eat in the garden. This is not a complete harvest, to be honest. I don't think I'm going to get everything that can be harvested right now. I'm just getting what I really need. This is beautiful. Do you agree? Absolutely beautiful. All right, so welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacy. I appreciate you all tuning in and God bless you all. So I think I need 3 coins. Yeah, I need 3 of us. Very nice. So who is going to be the next lucky one? I think this one. I'm looking on size. All right, so I'm going to let it be this one. I'm just getting them off so that when I go inside, I don't have to bother to do this. These are regular Jamaican corns. Nice roasted or in soup. So I am going to actually get some peppers. These peppers are not for me because I use pepper as I go. But I'm getting these for a few persons. This is a lovely sweet pepper right here. Cute. All right, so let me get these red West Indian peppers as well. Let me get these right here as well. These Scotch bonnet peppers. So getting these red West Indian peppers from here, and I have a few cayenne peppers along here to get as well. This is a cayenne pepper. Such a cutie. I have another cayenne pepper inside here. And I'm getting these scotches. Look at this one. Wow, look at that. Let me get these as well. These are nice.
The system might not proper. We love the food, the vibes and the culture. Whoa, can't you see?
So I'm getting these other scotchy right here, and I am going to get the other cayenne peppers from here.
The beauty of this country. Me never know said that it a serious thing until me reach in a foreign. Oh, what a nice place to live. Sweet jam, now the only problem is dollars now run. Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it tonight.
I just need to line up these to get some lettuce.
Hear this, a lot of mercy.
Before I get the lettuce, let's get this cucumber around here.
Help me big up Jamaica, the land of food and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a
Lovely.
foreign. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. Now with the money in your pocket and a God in your heart. Crowd of people, what more you want?
Alright, so I'm going to get this lettuce in its entirety. It is about to bolt or go to seed like this one. And I'm already leaving this one for seeds. Usually, for those who don't know, I would usually take all the outer leaves and leave the middle ones so they continue to grow until it's actually ready to bolt or go to seed. So that is exactly what is happening now. So let's get it. All right, breaking not working out. Let me get a knife. Okay. Okay, so there we go.
Reggae music a play and reggae artist a chant. I hear some me born and me not transplant. What a nice place to live.
Okay, so I made some space, so let's get the others.
Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run.
So I'm basically getting all of these outer leaves. These are so tender. I pull on it a little and it just rip off. These are very nice. Uh-oh, accidentally broke that one because they are so tender, so fragile. I can tell you that these are very nice. You hear how crunchy they are?
A man will live on a banana boat and him a gone over broad. Because him say everywhere better than he have. But when him touch certain countries, see the system a fraud. Him a fi run back a jam down and give it its reward. What a nice place to live. Sweet jam down,
Wow.
the only problem is dollars now run. Say what a sweet place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. Yeah, some me born, yeah, some me come from. Yeah, some me live, yeah, me intend for tan. Regardless of the economical condition, you must admit this is a glorious land. Say what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. Say what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So help me pick up Jamaica, the land of food and water. The system might not
I fit them in the basket nicely so I can get a nice photo.
Can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know say that it a serious thing until me reach in a foreign. Oh, what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
I also want to get this banana pepper right here. Cute. Very cute. Can I tell you, it's mulberry time again. Let's get some of these.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me big up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a foreign. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. Now with the money in your pocket and a God in your heart. Crowd of people, what more you want? Reggae music, I play a reggae artist a chant. I hear some me born and me not transplant. What a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.
Alright, so this will be it for now. I am going to get these strawberries as well. No, I think I've had maybe two. Was it? Two or three. A few without you. Alright, so I'm getting these right here. So I am getting this one and this one. I'm also going to get some callaloo or amaranth. What would you like from this basket? Comment below and tell me. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet